Hi, my name's Aubrey Bruckner. I'm the founder of Intra-Atria Inc. We're building Slipstream, a vertical AI tool to transform and accelerate new employee onboarding. Let's take a look under the hood. Before we jump into the demo, I want to give a little bit of context as to why employee onboarding is such an important problem and why it's broken today. Your typical HR or people operations team is working across half a different dozen tools that don't talk to each other to onboard employees. And that's not even beginning to talk about their department specific onboarding, team specific, or even role specific onboarding. There needs to be a better way to track these journeys, and right now they're typically managed in productivity tools like Notion, Trello, Asana that require a lot of manual admin. Slipstream is an out of the box integration layer for your HR tech stack that orchestrates and updates data wherever your data lives natively. The beauty of this system is that it reduces administrative burden for HR and people operations teams. Managers and other stakeholders get real-time visibility into the onboarding progress, and employees get 24/7 support from an always-on AI agent. All right, let's get into the demo.
All right, so we're here in the employee UI of Slipstream. We're onboarding a fictional employee named Mary, and since her onboarding is in progress, Slipstream is giving us a little update about where we left off. We're going to start with our HIPAA training, and after Mary has the chance to review the HIPAA training video, Slipstream is giving a little quiz just to check for knowledge. This is a completely optional feature of Slipstream, but it's really helpful to make sure that employees are actually getting it and can help an employer understand where employees are getting caught up or have misunderstandings through their onboarding process. All right, and after Mary gives the correct answers, the Slipstream agent is going to automatically check this off of her checklist and mark it as complete. So no additional action needed on her part. And then it's going to suggest the next step. So the next step here is sign a non-compete agreement, but it looks like there's a question in the meantime, so we can ask the agent questions, and the agent is going to pull from any company documents or company systems that it's given access to, so it can give the most up-to-date and timely information. All right, so it's answering a question about the health insurance for Mary, and we can also see here that if we want to see granular information about the tasks that we're being asked to perform, there are detail panels on the side. But we don't need to use these because the agent is really going to surface what tasks are most urgent and compliance critical at the right time. And now we're going to log out and we're going to take a look at the HR user side now. So we have a dashboard. If we had a bunch of stuff in progress, that would show us some stats about our onboarding processes. And here we can see Mary's workflow overview. She's 70% done. We can click into her profile and see what tasks she has left to complete and which are completed. Managers will also get this view in addition to HR teams. We can also view our templated onboarding workflows. So Mary's doing our standard onboarding, which we can see has been used for 7 other employees. And we can also view our tasks, which are templatized Lego building bricks for the workflows. And we can also go in here and create a new workflow if we have a new department that we want to create an onboarding flow for, and this will be repeatable.